Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious butter cake using your microwave oven. This quick and easy recipe is perfect for when you crave something sweet without a lot of fuss. First, gather all your essential ingredients, like 1 cup of all-purpose flour, half a cup of granulated sugar, and 2 large eggs. Make sure everything is at room temperature for the best results. Also, prepare your microwave-safe dish, about 6 inches in diameter, by lightly greasing it. Now, let's get to mixing your cake batter. In a bowl, cream together half a cup of softened, unsalted butter and half a cup of granulated sugar until the mixture is light and fluffy. Next, beat in your 2 large eggs, one at a time, making sure each is fully incorporated before adding the next. In a separate bowl, whisk together 1 cup of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and a pinch of salt. Finally, gradually add these dry ingredients to your wet mixture, alternating with 1/4 cup of milk, mixing until just combined. It's time to cook our delicious butter cake. Carefully pour the prepared batter evenly into your greased microwave-safe dish. Place the dish into the microwave oven and cook on high power for approximately 2 to 3 minutes. Cooking times can vary slightly, so keep an eye on it. To check if your cake is ready, simply insert a toothpick into the center. If the toothpick comes out completely clean, your microwave butter cake is perfectly cooked and ready for the next step. Once your butter cake is cooked, allow it to cool in the microwave-safe dish for about 5 minutes. This helps it set properly. Then, carefully invert the cake onto a wire rack to cool completely, which usually takes around 15 minutes. You can enjoy this warm butter cake plain for a simple, comforting treat. Or, if you're feeling fancy, serve it with your favorite toppings, like fresh berries, a light dusting of powdered sugar, or even a dollop of whipped cream. Enjoy your homemade microwave butter cake.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.